Very good evening. Today I would like to give you some information under the title of First Time in India that related to agriculture. So the first fruit train that traveled from Tadibatri railway station in Anandapur district to Jawaharlal Nehru Port in Mumbai on 30/1/2020 that carry 980 metric tons of locally grown bananas. That consignment also exported to Iran. The banana are being exported under the brand name of Happy Bananas. So the farmers of that Pudlu regions of Anandapur and Pulivendulu in Kadapa districts are exporting green Cavendish to many countries. So first time in India, the fruit train that travel in between that Tadibatri railway station in Anandapur district to Jawaharlal Nehru Port, Mumbai. First time in the history of the Indian Science Congress, a Farm Science Congress was held at UAS Bangalore on January 3, 2020. So during this Congress, they covered farmers' innovation on integrated agriculture, entrepreneurship for doubling farmers' income, climate change, biodiversity conservation, ecosystem services, and farmer empowerment to agrarian sector, rural bio-entrepreneurship, and policy issues. And India's first Agromate Forecast Center was established in the name of North Karnataka Agromate Forecasting and Research Center, that is NKAFC, at UAS Dharwad, Karnataka. So the main purpose of this particular Agromate is that will provide accurate report on weather that will be useful for the farmers to protect the crops and get good yield. And state first automatic weather stations established at Dangargan in Nagpur, Maharashtra. So this will work for measuring that wind direction, wind speed, air temperature, relative humidity, and also that record the rainfall. So all the recorded data will be available in the Mahadev portal, that is Maharashtra Agriculture Weather Information Network. Same thing will be available on the mobile application of the SkyMate. So this particular weather station is established by the SkyMate Weather Private Limited. And India's first Aqua Mega Food Park that is established on February 12, 2019. The name of Godavari Mega Aqua Food Park at Tundra village in Bhimavaram Mandal, West Godavari district of Andhra Pradesh. So this will be the first mega food park optimized exclusively for fish and marine products. And Asia's first rice technology park established at Gangavadi in Kobal districts of Karnataka during 2016. Similarly, that maize technology park at Ranipennur in Kaveri districts. So both the parks are established on PPP mode, that is a public-private partnership mode. This will be the model as a one-stop solution to all problems of rice and maize growers. In the rice technology park, they have the facilities for making rice flour, rice bran oil, rice rava, rice waste alcohol, noodles, animals and poultry feeds, and paddy husk used for power generation and brick making, so all those things. And Sikkim became the first fully organic states of India, declared on January 18, 2016. They converted 75,000 hectares of land into certified organic farms by following the norms given by the National Program for Organic Protections. So Sikkim is the first fully organic state. The major crop grown under Sikkim condition is cardamom, ginger, turmeric, off-season vegetables, flowers, Sikkim mandarin, kiwi, buckwheat, paddy, maize, and millets. Other than that, Sikkim also known for flower cultivation and also popularly known as land of flowers. Now, adding further, the Sikkim again colored as the organic states. That India's first organic farming university going to be set up in Vadodara, Gujarat, and the probable site may be nearer to agriculture Kamadeni University in Gandhinagar districts. So this university mainly work on organic farming and later research. ICAR first ever participation, the Republic Day parade on 2018, January 26. The theme of that participation is integrated farming system for doubling farm income. That is Vishriti Keti and Kishan Ki Keti. So that is on January 26, 2018. And Ms. Swati Singte of Pune, Maharashtra, bagged the first prize of TD Mahila Kisan Award for the year 2018-19. And India's first agri-index in the name of Agritex, launched by NCDEX, that is National Commodity and Derivative Exchange, on 13th November 2019. So this is India's first agri-index. So this is for easy reference to price variation in agricultural commodities. Agritex is launched with a combination of 10 leading liquid contracts on the NCDEX platform at present. The index also available in indicative. It will be made tradable after being approved from the Securities and Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI. NCDEX also already applied for SEBI approval. So these are the things with reference to that first in India. So the next segment I will give you that first variety or hybrid released in the different agriculture and horticulture crops. Thank you.